What's up, guys? So today we're reviewing Etsy stores and giving tips about what they're doing well, how they can increase their sales, and how they can grow the channel dramatically long term. So starting out, Lovanium in Belgium. 5 sales, so new store coming up. That's okay. Good logo. Generally, you want kind of bolder text inside of that, but that's a nice, clean, simple logo. I do recommend using a header because a header you can put like links to your website inside of it and that kind of thing. So those are both good deals. Good reviews. Excellent. Oh, shot spinner. Okay. Very nice. Good feedback, keeping customers happy. That's what you want. Good stuff. Okay, 3D printed. What are the items here? Fidget toys, wall clock. Wall clocks are cool. Okay, a model, a cleft. Okay, let's see here. People are liking this. Let's see what this is. Already in a cart. Oh, this is Lego nameplate. Nice. I assume it's 3D printed. Yep, 3D printed. Very nice. Okay, I would recommend putting a video into this. You have really good images, although the image is cropped. See if you can readjust the crop of the image to make it square. If you're worried about because you don't have enough room inside the image, what you can do is you can actually go to some AI softwares, like I think maybe even Canva does this, and it will expand the background. That way you get that Jeremy centered in that thumbnail and it becomes clearer what it is. But, okay, so it can be personalized. That's fine. For personalization, when you're doing name tags, I generally recommend, instead of letting people type in everything, let people type stuff in, but then also have like the top 10 most popular names in each country or in the world or something, or maybe the top 100 most popular names. So like John Smith and that kind of thing. That way you have those files ready to go and you can print and ship much more quickly. The pricing is a little bit odd. Oh, this is a conversion from euros to USD. That's what's up. Okay. Returns and exchanges, ships within 1 business day. What is shipping cost? Change shipping. Sorry. Oh, doesn't ship to the United States. Okay. Here's the thing. You're missing out on sales in the United States. Since this item is 3D printed, you could sell this item in the United States. You don't have to print it, you don't have to ship it, you don't have to deal with the import fees. What you can do is Slant 3D has a plugin where you can just add it to the store, connect it to your store, and then create a listing for the United States of this nameplate. And then whenever an order comes through, whenever an order comes through, Slant 3D will print the item and ship it to folks inside the United States for you. That way you have US shipping, US production, and you have access to hundreds of 3D printers so that you can deal with all that volume without having to have your own print farm. The challenge with this, though, is that then you are required to create the 100 names or the 10 names, whatever it happens to be. So go through the United States, create the 10 most popular names, and create that listing. Because the plugin does not allow custom items right now, so having people spell out a version of the name just isn't doable unless you want to upload it to the listing and keep on adding the names to the listing, and then the person can purchase it and then send it through. So that's a way to kind of jerry-rig that. But you're missing out on sales inside the United States, and you could get those back by just simply plugging in the plugin. Do make sure that shipping is also free and that you implement that cost into the cost in the US. But obviously people like this, especially for such a small store. That's really great. A lot of these other items could go print on demand as well, where you can just, that way you don't have to build a print farm. That's the big deal. Cool items though. Let's see here. What else is there? Only 3 left. Okay, so people must be buying this. The reviews are only 1 review. Okay. Very nicely made. It's for this deal. Okay, so this one's top. Ooh, why? I would recommend charging more for this. This seems like an item that should cost probably 40 or 50 bucks. Oh, you're not assembling it. Got it. Okay, so fully assembled it is 40 to 50 bucks. Okay, good deal. That's better. Let's see here. Product photography, really good. You have a video on it, excellent. That's great. TikTok, Etsy is able to advertise your stuff on TikTok. Do make sure you're using advertising if it's not already turned on inside of Etsy. Do make sure you use that. That's great. Good number of items. I would recommend getting up to about 20 items. That really helps Etsy kind of figure out what your store is about. But other than that, this looks good. As far as improvements, yeah, you can put in a header. I would recommend getting US distribution by putting in that plugin because it'll give you way more sales inside of the US. But other than that, product photography is good. Do make sure that your thumbnails line up so people see what it is right away. But this photo is great. That is excellent product photography. This is good product photography. And you have videos and a lot of your stuff. So that's all very good. Excellent job. This you will do well if this is as good of a start as you have right now. You will do well. Keep up the good work.